Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for deep dives into the most innovative home tech solutions. Today, we're taking a look at the BYKISTOK flush mount ceiling fan with RGB light. And let me tell you right now, this is the best ceiling fan with LED light currently available on the market. Whether you're revamping your living room, party space, or even a covered outdoor area, this fan offers an unmatched combination of modern aesthetics, smart lighting, and silent functionality. Let's kick things off with the design. This BYKISTOK ceiling fan comes in a sleek 52-inch black finish that immediately adds a contemporary touch to any space. Its low-profile flush mount design makes it ideal for rooms with lower ceilings or minimalist interiors. But it's not just about looks, it's about presence. The matte black blades and integrated light fixture blend into a single cohesive form, making it feel like more of an art installation than a utility. This ceiling fan doesn't just illuminate a room, it transforms it. With a wide spectrum of color options, you can set the mood exactly how you want. And with the press of a button, you can switch it back to a crisp white light for your daily routine. The LED panel is also 3CCT dimmable, which means you can toggle between warm white, neutral white, and daylight color temperatures, all customizable for your comfort and activities. Now, let's talk about performance. The BYKISTOK fan is powered by a reversible mute motor, and that mute part is no joke. This thing is whisper quiet. Whether it's running full speed in the middle of a summer day or slowly circulating air on a cozy winter night, you'll barely hear it working. And yes, it's reversible, so you get cool air during the summer and warm air recirculation during the winter. Energy efficiency, meet year-round comfort. BYKISTOK gives you flexibility. It supports both remote and wall control, depending on your setup. The remote is intuitive and gives you full command over fan speed, light color, and dimming. Plus, setup is smooth. Everything comes included, with a simplified installation guide, and it's all designed for flush mounting, so you don't need a high ceiling to enjoy high-end air circulation. One of the more unique things about this fan is its versatility. It's not just for bedrooms or living rooms, it's rated for covered outdoor use too. That means patios, porches, and sunrooms can now benefit from mood lighting and a breeze, without sacrificing on style or quality. If you're someone who cares about ambiance, who loves clean modern design, and who wants the kind of utility that adapts to your lifestyle, this fan was built for you. It turns a functional fixture into a feature piece, while still delivering on all the core expectations of a ceiling fan: great airflow, silent operation, and longevity. To wrap this up, the BYKISTOK flush mount ceiling fan with RGB light is more than just a fan. It's a lighting system, a statement piece, and a smart home upgrade all in one. If you're looking for the best ceiling fan with LED light, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, subscribe for more smart home tech insights, and drop a comment below if you've tried this fan or have one you want us to review next. See you in the next one.